Kamusta mga techie? In this video, pakita sa inyo isang convenient and safe na way para mag-save using our cell phones. So, wag na nga natin patagalin pa. Let's get started. So mga techie, I'm sure familiar na kayo dito with GCash. And kung wala pa nga kayong account dyan, click nyo lang yung link dyan sa may description box. And also, meron na nga tayong videos on how to register and create an account. And once nga na nakapag-create na kayo ng account, mapupunta na kayo dito sa ating dashboard. And all we need to do is first, syempre mag-cash in muna tayo dito. So there's a lot of ways para makapag-cash in dito. We can do transfers. If you have online banking, you can check your app or platform and you can send money here sa GCash using your mobile number. And also, ayan, meron dito sa right corner cash in. Ayan, so there's a lot of ways. And so over the counter, you have cash in machines na makikita na sa mga convenience stores and pawn shops and payment facilities. And so there's a lot of facilities na pwede tayo mag-cash in. Supermarkets, department stores, drugstores, logistics, gas stations, retail stores, and even sari-sari stores. We do have banks din, no? Like BPI, Union Bank. It's easier kaya sila recommended kasi nakalink talaga sila with GCash. Yeah, so with partner banks and lahat naman halos ng local banks pwede. And last but not the least, we have global partners like PayPal and Payoneer. And yan, very convenient. You can just link your PayPal account here with GCash and you can do cash-ins even kapag naka-dollar, no? So, syempre, i-convert nyo muna yung dollar nyo into peso sa PayPal and then tsaka nyo siya i-cash in dito sa GCash. Okay, so punta na nga tayo kung paano tayo makapag-save dito sa GCash. Okay, so kung mapansin nyo, meron nga tayo dito piggy bank which is yung GSave. So, click lang natin yan. Ayan, so dito meron Easy Savings, Uno Ready, Easy Save, GSave, and BPI My Save Up. So, iba-ibang banks, iba-ibang digital banks yan na nag-offer ng iba't ibang interest rates and iba't ibang products. So kaya it will depends on you kung saan nyo gustong mag-save. Ayan, so all you need to do is select. Ayan, so select nyo lang. Meron na tayo dito with Uno, ayan, and GSave. So, first tingnan muna natin dito, no? Yeah, so GSave, start saving better. What's the best bank partner for you? Yeah, so mamimili ka, may mga iba't ibang ano yan, purpose. Sa Uno, digital bank, daily returns, high interest, time deposit. Sa Maybank naman, free withdrawals nationwide sila. So, free insurance na rin pag nag-save ka. So, iba't ibang product, pag nag-save ka, may free insurance ka. Pero sa Uno Digital Bank, wala yun. Yeah, so CIMB naman, high interest rate, free insurance. So kung gusto mo ng ganong combination, CIMB yung piliin mo. Yeah, so si BPI, wala nakalagay. So check nyo na lang rin yan. So enjoy free withdrawals nationwide with Maybank. Yeah, so invest in your life goals. And yeah, so nag-promote na sila ng iba dyan. Okay, so try natin tong Maybank since dito nga di pa tayo nakapag-create na account. And click na natin tong I agree. Okay, so dito it's powered by Maybank. And yun yan, no initial deposit required and zero maintaining balance. Get a free Maybank Visa debit card with a minimum deposit requirement. Enjoy free life insurance up to 1 million with a minimum average daily balance of only 50,000. So napakalaki na. Ang ganda na nga, no? Kung mag-average ka lang ng 50,000, may 1 million ka ng life insurance. And withdraw for free from any local BankNet ATM. Yan, so padadala ka nila ng debit card pag nag-open ka sa kanila and then pwede ka na nga mag-withdraw. Free withdrawal. So, which is maganda naman talaga. And once nga na nabasa nyo na yan, check nyo lang tong or click nyo lang tong open. And ito nga, lagay lang natin yung mga details natin. Okay, so fill up lang natin yung mga personal information natin and yun nga, purpose of account opening. Lagay lang natin dyan, no, savings. Expected monthly deposits, so lagay lang natin dyan. And expected frequency of monthly withdrawals. And okay, and sa pinakahuli nga, yung PEP, politically exposed person classification. So lagay nyo lang no PEP relationship. So once okay ka na dyan, click nyo lang yung submit. And lahat ng summary natin nandyan na, and then click lang natin to submit and confirm. Okay guys, so try natin tong BPI and check natin kung ano meron sa kanila. So, click lang natin to I agree. Okay, so once nga na naklik na natin yan, click na natin tong ulit open savings account. So, yan, BPI, simula ng mas magandang bukas, mas kaya, wala ng balance requirement. Mag-save hanggang 30,000 sa iyong account. Mas pinagaan free fund transfer from your GCash wallet to your BPI MySaveUp account and vice versa. Mas exciting, maaari manalo ng cash prize monthly for BPI MySaveUp account. So, open savings account lang. And proceed using GCash profile. So, since link na nga yung GCash profile natin, scroll down nyo lang and then hit I agree, proceed and confirm lang. Okay, and there you go. Napakadali lang mag-open ng MySaveUp account with BPI dito sa GCash, GSave. And then, click lang natin itong Go to Dashboard. Okay, so may prompt dito. Ito ang pwede mong gawin sa iyong BPI MySaveUp account. Mag-transfer from your GCash wallet to BPI. Mag-save ng 30,000. And then, may option ka na mag-request ng BPI debit MasterCard for only 200 pesos sa any BPI branch nationwide. So, click natin no okay, got it. And then, yun nga, GSave, deposit and withdraw transactions only. And so, lahat ng transactions history nyo nandito. May account number ka dito. Para ka lang nag-open ng account with BPI Bank. Pero dito, syempre, online na. So, wala na nga sila kailangan pang bumiyahe, pipila ka doon, maghihintay ka. So, dito, anytime, anywhere, pwede ka nang mag-open ng account with GSave. And very easy nga lang yung pag-deposit dito. So, click nyo lang tong deposit. Ayan. So, dito nga, ayan, lagay nyo lang 1,000 halimbawa. Okay? So, click nyo lang tong next. Click lang natin tong pay 1,000. Ayan. So, para ka lang nagpipay ng ng bills mo. Ayan. So, mapupunta na siya real time, napakabilis. And sa pag-withdraw naman, automatic mapupunta rin siya sa yung GCash wallet. Okay, sa mga tingin, pan-checking dito sa BPI MySaveUp account. Wala nga siyang interest pag naglagay ka ng pera dito. Pero, pwede kang mag-request ng MasterCard mo or ATM mo dito. So, if you're in need of an ATM, yan, pwede nyo siyang gawin dito with GCash. And also, pwede nyo siyang hingan ng bank statement. So, lagay lang kayo ng account ng pera dito or ng fund nyo dito. And then you can request bank statement with your BPI branch. So, punta lang kayo sa BPI branch and then you can request for a bank statement kasi meron na kayong account with BPI. So, easy lang yung pag-open dito with BPI. And as for the rest, yung Easy Savings and yung sa Maybank, unfortunately, hindi pa nga gumagana yung kanilang options dito. And pag nag-try ka mag-open ng account, nag-error lang. So, talagang hindi pa siya ready. Pero the rest, the CIMB can give you a high interest rate with your savings with them. So, lagay lang kayo ng fund dito sa kanilang CIMB platform. And then with Uno, yun nga, meron din silang high interest rate dito. Okay, so yan nga, with Uno, yan, deposit money, withdraw money, very easy, very simple. And then dito sa lower right, meron ditong add time deposit. And dito, click nyo lang yung apply now. Ayan, so, depende kung magkano yung gusto nyong ilagay and kung gaano katagal. Ayan. So, meron ditong 12 months. Lagyan natin 12 months. Ayan. So, kung mas matagal, syempre, mas malaki yung interest rate. So, umaabot ng 5% yung interest rate nila. And you'll get 993 pesos upon maturity ng iyong savings sa kanila. So, ganun nga po siya nag-work. So, although hindi siya flexible kasi naka-time deposit ka and naka-lock in yung pera mo sa kanila, pero malaki naman yung interest rate nila. So, if you have extra money and you're expecting it na nasa bank account mo na siya within the 12 months, so pwede siya ilagay dito. And easier siya i-withdraw from your Uno Bank, Uno Digital Bank back to your GCash. And that's it mga tayo, how we can conveniently save using our cell phone and with our GCash account. So I hope you liked the video. Thank you so much for watching. You have a good day.